The Caseology Parallax has been a reliable favorite since 2016, and it continues to impress with the Pixel 10 device. I love the distinctive 3D hexacube pattern on the back, which creates alternating diamond and triangle shapes that make it look and feel different from any other case on the market. The textured segments provide a nice contrast, giving the case both visual appeal and practical grip. What sets the Parallax apart is its thoughtful engineering. The airspace technology in all four corners acts like mini airbags, providing excellent drop protection where it matters most. The camera protection extends between each rear lens, which is something many affordable cases overlook, but Caseology gets right. Installation and removal is surprisingly easy, even with the Pixel 10 device's sharp corners. The case strikes a nice balance between protection and bulk. It's flexible TPU that won't add unnecessary weight to an already substantial phone, yet still offers solid protection for daily use. I'm also glad Caseology kept the great colorways, including navy violet, sage green, ash gray, and matte black options. However, the vertical ridges on the sides don't provide as much grip as I'd like for such a large phone. Horizontal ridges might have been more effective. Additionally, there's no liner on the back panel, so debris could potentially scratch your phone's rear surface. Despite these minor complaints, the Parallax remains an excellent value proposition. It's reasonably priced, well-built, and has that unique aesthetic that's made it a consistent favorite for nearly a decade. For Pixel 10 device owners wanting reliable protection without breaking the bank, this case delivers.